For my friends who have empty gallon containers at home, don't throw them away just yet. I have a creative idea to make them useful again. Okay, so for the main material, I'm using one used gallon container. This is a discarded gallon. Let's cut it right away. Once it's cut, just tidy it up. To tidy up, you can use scissors. Because it's still really dirty, continue, we wash. Let the results be cooler. I added paint. While waiting for the paint to dry, now, we modify the cap. For the cap we cut off in the middle section. Here we give a hole. After the lid, we give a hole. Now, prepare one pipe with a long that can adjust, for the length is up. This is a high-impact type pipe, so it can bend because he's more elastic than electrical pipes usually. For the pipe we can put over here later. For his bending, this time I'm wearing one spring tool. This is a pipe bending device. Stay put, and we bend to the will. Okay, can be seen. Result is smooth, neat without any folds. The pipe is done. I shape. Now, we just put the cover on. Now, prepare a fitting, chandelier, and also cable to taste. Now for the cable, we put it in the pipe. Before stuck, now add one seal, so that the water can't enter. If it is now, the gallon stay installed. After all, the process. Results are more or less like, who would have thought of a used gallon that has not been used? Now a lamp protector or lamp house, which is jumbo. So even though it's not waterproof, but if you install it here, it doesn't matter. This rain is safe. Stay installed. Here's the result after it's attached. Not bad, right? This has become an umbrella lamp for a jumbo lamp, so I can put the lights on the outdoor and get water. This is safe. Happens to be where I'm also in the rainy season. If you buy a lamp umbrella at the store, the price is also quite expensive, so never underestimate thrift that are all around us. If you guys like, you can click the like button below. Don't forget to also press the subscribe button, so as not to miss the latest and interesting videos. The other one. Thank you for watching. See you next video.